slide masters are basically templates that can be used to create new presentations. In order to create a new presentation, click on the File option on the standard menu bar to display the File menu. From this menu, select the New option. The New Presentation dialog box will be displayed. In this dialog box, a number of predefined templates are displayed, out of which you have to select one template for the new presentation. By default, the General tab is displayed, which contains the default template titled Blank Presentation. The other templates can be viewed by exploring the other two tabs, Design Templates and Presentations. The existing file templates can be used or new templates can be created for a presentation. The templates that are present on your system are stored in individual files that have a .pot extension. The templates define the background color and graphics that will be used in the presentation. Templates also define the positioning of the text as well as the formatting used for the text in the presentation. Other details about the presentation, such as the type of bullets being used, will also be stored in the templates. Thus, the appearance of each presentation depends on an existing template file. Each template file contains what are called masters that define how the different views will be formatted. The four masters available in PowerPoint are Slide Master, Title Master, Notes Master, and Handout Master. The basic idea behind the masters is to give a consistent look and feel to the whole presentation. For a particular slide in the presentation, the settings defined by the masters can be overridden and customized. In order to create a new presentation, click on the File option on the standard menu bar to display the File drop-down menu. Select the New option from the File drop-down menu. In the New Presentation dialog box, click on the Design Template tab. Now, from the list of template samples, select the template that you require. Finally, click on the OK button to create the new presentation. To switch to the Slide Master view, select the View option on the standard menu bar to display the View menu. From the View menu, select the Master option. From the sub-menu that is displayed, select the Slide Master option. Now you will be working on the Slide Master for the presentation. The objects on this slide can be moved from one place to the other using the usual drag and drop techniques. The items such as title area for auto layouts can be selected. The text within it can be formatted using the Format drop-down menu. New items such as clip art graphics, your company logo, etc. can be added to the presentation to enhance the look of the presentation. You should remember that a presentation might not contain just a single slide. Therefore, any changes applied to one slide should be applied to all the slides in the presentation. Once the presentation is totally customized, it should be saved. To save a presentation as a template, click on the File option to display the File menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Save As option. This will display the Save As dialog box. In the File Name box, enter a name for the presentation. Click on the down arrow in the Save As type area of the dialog box. Select Design Template from the list displayed. Click on the Save button and the presentation will be saved as a template. Now close the file. Now, if a new presentation has to be created based on this template, select the File menu. Select the New option in the File menu. The new template you created will be displayed under the General tab of the New Presentation dialog box. Select this template. Click on the OK button to start a new presentation. After creating and customizing a presentation, you may want to add more details to it. For example, you may want to number all the slides in a presentation and also add footers to all the slides. You could also store the date and time when the presentation was created or updated. First, display the slide in the master view by selecting the master option in the view drop-down menu. From the master submenu, select the slide master option. To insert the date and time, slide number and footer, select the view option to display view drop-down menu. Select the header and footer option from the drop-down menu. This will display the header and footer dialog box. Here, you can enter the date and time, footer and numbering information. To insert the date and time, select the date and time checkbox. You can specify a fixed date, or it can be updated every time the presentation is printed. To insert the slide number, select the slide number checkbox. To insert a footer, make this option active and enter the footer in the footer text field. You can prevent the footer from being displayed on the title page by selecting the Don't Show on the Title Slide checkbox. Finally, to apply these settings to all slides, click on the Apply to All button. The Slide Master defines the standard format of the slides. Slides can also be created with formats different from the formats defined by the masters. First, display the slide that you want to change on the screen. Then make the required changes to the particular slide. The slide font, color, numbering, background, etc. can be changed. The changes applied to an individual slide do not affect the other slides in the same presentation or the slide master. After making changes in the standard slide master format, you may want to undo the changes and use the slide master format. PowerPoint allows you to reapply the slide master format to the slides after making changes to the slide format. First, display the slide to which you want to reapply the slide master format. Select the format option from the standard menu bar to display the drop-down menu. Select the slide layout option from the drop-down menu. This will display the slide layout dialog box. The layout of the current slide will now be selected. Select the Reapply button from the dialog box. The text and the placeholder on the slide revert to the formatting in the slide master. You can make your presentation even more appealing by adding pictures, motion clips, sound, etc. from the Microsoft Clip Gallery. Microsoft Clip Gallery is the central resource for organizing pictures, motion clips, and sound. You can add as well as delete items from the Clip Gallery collection. If you have a number of clip art files, they can be grouped together. To insert a new clip art into your presentation slide, click on the Insert Clip Art icon on the drawing toolbar. The Insert Clip Art dialog box will be displayed. From the dialog box, select one of the following tabs: Picture, Sound or Motion. Now, click on the category required. Then, click on the item you want to select. From the pop-up menu which is displayed, select the Insert Clip command, the first item in the pop-up menu. The clip item will be inserted in your presentation. The categories in the Microsoft Clip Gallery can be deleted or renamed, and new categories can be created as well. First, display the Insert Clip Art dialog box by clicking on the Insert Clip Art icon on the drawing toolbar. Right-click on the category. A pop-up menu is displayed. Select the appropriate option from the pop-up menu. To view the clip properties, right-click on the item whose properties are to be viewed. From the pop-up menu displayed, select the Clip Properties option. The Clip Properties dialog box will be displayed. More clips can be obtained from the web as well. Click on the Clips Online icon in the Insert Clip Art toolbar and follow the on-screen instructions.